Model, 2009 Chevrolet Astro American 5.8 Petrol Import Day Van Camper Automatic Full MOT. Body, silver, camper. Mileage, 169874. MOT, the 17th of February 2026. Engine, 4290 cc. Transmission, automatic, RWD. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The transmission and gearbox are in good condition and it pulls well through all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seat area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuinely clean US import honest which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, alloy wheels, 3 keys, air con, 12 months MOT, tow bar. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.